You can't see me. I don't think you can see me. Ow. These are really sharp, guys.
Well, then stop doing that.
I'm just putting some makeup on. Ow. Ow.
Congrats, Catherine. You're an idiot.
I love you too, Tracy! Oh my god, double nose picker. Are you guys? Oh yeah! Ow, it's stretching my nose! Because they were falling apart, stretching my nose.
What exactly possesses you to do this shit?
I think I just got some flour up my nose. Hope I'm not allergic. I'm thirsty. Do you think that would taste good?
No!
No, it's got plant food in it.
I love plant food. It's sexy.